Hello traders, today we're examining the Elder Impulse Candle Color Indicator for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and I'll show you how this system colors your candles based on momentum and trend alignment. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and here we have it. On the chart, this indicator replaces the standard candlestick colors with a three-color system. Typically, green candles suggest that both the trend and momentum are aligned upward. Red candles indicate both are aligned downward, and blue or neutral colored candles suggest a mixed or transitional state. This gives you an immediate sense of whether momentum supports the current trend. For the indicator settings, the settings majorly include parameters for the underlying moving average period and the oscillator period used to measure momentum. These two components work together to determine the candle color. You can also find display options for customizing the specific colors used. As for who it's for, this indicator is designed for traders who follow Alexander Elder's impulse system and want a quick visual summary of trend momentum alignment. It is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trades. The coloring can change rapidly in choppy markets, so confirmation from other sources is always advisable. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future contents. I'll see you in the next one.